5 tips to get very soft and fluffy idlis. Number 1. Use both boiled rice and raw rice in the ratio 1:1. Number 2. Soaking. Soak the dal and the rice separately. For 4 glasses of rice, you can use 1 glass of urad dal. Third is grinding. Now, while grinding, make sure that you don't put everything together and grind together. You have to grind the rice separately and the urad dal separately. Add ice water while grinding the urad dal. Grind it to a very soft, creamy consistency. Next, a teaspoon of methi seeds can be added to get the soft consistency along with the rice while soaking. Next, after the batter is prepared, please do not put it in the fridge. Allow it to ferment for at least 10 hours before you start making. And never start making the idlis immediately after taking the batter out of the fridge, because they need to come back to room temperature, which will allow you to get soft and fluffy idlis. Thank you.